Hello, look what we're working on. Massachusetts. Yep, that's my place to go and visit. So let's work on it. This is from the July, the shipping, the July shipping of the Floral States of America. And this was, yes, that, wow, they've changed it. You see how this is black and white and this one is color. So they changed some things around. This is the state block. Well, these are the states. See, it didn't have it. This was, yeah, it does. I just didn't realize it had the state block. All right, so I am going to put this over here. And I'm going to have my pieces here. This is Massachusetts. The capital is Boston. The statehood is February 6, 1788. The state bird is the black-capped chickadee. And the state flower is the Mayflower. The production is greenhouse nursery. The area is 10,554 square miles. A famous person there is Emily Dickinson. An interesting fact is Morse code was invented in Charlestown. Listen to me, I'm not pronouncing things right. Massachusetts. And the shop to visit is the Quilted Crow in Bolton, Massachusetts. I've actually been there before. So here we go. And let's see what we're doing. We are taking our floral and our white. We're making 4 half square triangles with them. So let's get sewing. We have to make 4 of these. All right, so we have those 4 done. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to make 2 of these with these blue blocks. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and chain that up right with the other stuff. You have to blow on both sides of these. So let's do that. All right, now we can, excuse me, now we can go ahead and bring our ironing board so the blue go out. And as far as these half square triangles go, they need to be apart, and they go, ooh, what did I do there? Looks like I was sewing drunkenly on this one. Well, let's see how this goes. So we have these like that. We're gonna press them, and then it says we are going to press towards the floral. So now we have these half square triangles. We're going to put the two yellow together, and we are going to sew those up, and we are making two of them. Making two of them. One and two. And we're going to come in, and it says they both have to be ironed towards that one and that one. All right, so I'm going to break this apart here and rotate it so that we have what looks like a square and a square. Let's grab that in. And off we go. Again, and here we go. Now we have this part of ours done, and we are going to put our sides right onto here. And our other side. And this is saying we are pressing this in. Not sure why we're pressing this in, because it does not want to press that way. Well, you know what? Well, they know what they're doing, but this has to come. Just doesn't want to do it. Here we go. We're going to coax it. Doesn't want to do it because there's so much fabric right there. I'm going to come in here and give it a good press. A good press. And these will lay right in and nest right in beautifully because these were pressed out. And there's a reason, probably when you put together this whole quilt, you have to have that to do that. And as you can see, I am pinning. Here we go. And our block is almost done. We are at 10 minutes actually, with all the intro and everything. We are sewing these blocks up pretty quick. Now this is saying that we're pressing out. And let's see what our block looks like. Here we go. Our block is done for Massachusetts. I just will stick my little postcard with it. Now this is a little different this time around. So I'm going to take it and fold it as is and have the, where it says like the Massachusetts and the block out. And we are going to take our photo album here. Well, actually it has to go like this because if I'm keeping it in order, this is how it goes. And just a refresher, here's all our past blocks as well. So we have that one and we have this one and our Georgia. Look at how beautiful they are. So beautiful. So beautiful. So I have all these together. What I'm going to do right now is, these are the ones that we still need to make together. And I am going to put these in the bag. Might have to get a flat plastic tubby maybe. We'll see. I'm going to put these on top. And this is my Cotton Cuts bag, project bag. And I have them all in here except for I left Pennsylvania behind. Pennsylvania was left behind. So we are going to put Pennsylvania right on in. Up, and then I forgot these sheets that goes in as well. So now you see my mad chaos, how I'm organizing for the time being. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Please take care of yourself. Pass it forward. If you like what you see, please like. Subscribe is the most important. I need some subscribers. Tell your friends, tell your family members all about me. Share my content out there. If you have any questions, please contact me. Any comments? Tell me how you're doing today. Why not? Tell me how you're doing today because I just finished in Massachusetts and I am off to Massachusetts. Though when this is uploaded, I will be already in Massachusetts. I've done a lot of pre-recorded videos. So while I'm gone, you don't miss me because I'm going to miss you though. So you know I'm going to miss you guys. So I will be having some lives, or I already had some lives with you guys already. But anyway, have a fabulous day. See you soon. Bye.